Hello there, it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going over my wash day routine. Welcome to my kitchen sink, which I'll be using for washing my hair in this video. I start off by wetting my hair and then I go in with this shampoo. This shampoo is made of black African soap, which is really good for cleansing. I do a double cleanse as I did have product buildup in my hair. After shampooing, it's time to condition my hair. I do this in sections, so I take down the twists and I slightly detangle a little bit once again. Then it's time to apply the product. I'm using the Cantu sulfate-free hydrating cream conditioner. This one is really good, my hair really loves it. The conditioner is thick and it gives my hair a lot of slip, which makes detangling easier. Besides finger detangling, I also go in with my Tangle Teezer and I start off from the ends and work my way up to the roots of the hair. Once the section is detangled, I twist it back up and I continue for my whole head. So I just wanted to show that this section was a bit thicker and also a bit dry, so I went in with my spray bottle, just pure water, and dampened my hair before continuing with detangling. With my whole head done, it's time to now wash out the conditioner. The water was a bit too hot here, so I had to wait, but while washing out the conditioner, I wasn't trying to get everything out. I like to use a mask, especially after a long time. The one that I'm using here is by Garnier, the Nourishing Hair Food Banana and Shea 3-in-1 mask. I use quite a bit in every section and twist the hair back up. Once I do my whole head, don't mind that dry looking patch, I go ahead and put on my shower cap and then a towel over that to generate some heat.
1 hour later.
Back at the sink again, it's time to wash the mask out of my hair. This time I do wash out all the product.
Sorry. I'm still filming. Oh my god.
I use an old t-shirt to absorb the water out of my hair. So it's the next day because I could not be bothered to do anything else on that day and my hair looks crazy. I'll be using the L.O.C or L.O.C method to moisturize my hair. That is liquid, oil, and cream. My liquid of choice is just pure water, which I spritz all over my hair. Then I undo my twist and fluff it out a little bit before applying my oil. I use a hair oil mix for growth and I apply the oil on my scalp first, then I massage that in and spread it over my hair. Now it's time for the cream. I'm using a whipped shea butter cream mix by Just Janine again, and I apply this on my hands, rub them together to warm it up a little bit and apply it to my hair. Just showing you the amount of cream that I use per section. Once I've applied the cream to the section, I go ahead and split the section up in smaller parts and twist that up. So I do this all over my head, and if you want to see a more detailed video on how I twist my hair, you can go ahead and check my video how to do mini twists, which will be linked below in the description box as well as in the cards in the video. I really don't use combs, nothing against combs, but I'm just lazy. And the twists in the front, I just make them a lot smaller compared to the rest of my head. Now that I'm all done, I'm going to go ahead and use gel to apply to the ends of my hair or my twists and give them a little bit of a curl. I went ahead and pinned back a few of the twists, and now I'm showing you that I can flip my hair over as well. Please like, share, and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when I post my new video. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're loved and you're blessed. Bye!